जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 8th chapter अक्षर परब्रह्म योगमु 19th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, all the souls, according to their karma, when the day begins for Chaturmukha Brahma, they comes out from Chaturmukha Brahma's body. And again when the night begins to Chaturmukha Brahma, all the souls, according to their karma, they gets dissolved into Chaturmukha Brahma's body. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma emphasizing that the birth and death of each and every soul is according to the previous karma. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Bhutagramah Sayevayam Bhutva Bhutva Praliyate Ratriyagame Avasah Pardha Prabhavati Aharagame. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings Srimad Bhagavad Gita every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall perform all my prescribed duties as your service. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings Srimad Bhagavad Gita every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण, चतुर्मुखब्रह्म, सरस्वतीदेवी, व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. In Srimad-Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad-Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Chaturmukha Brahma prayed Sriman Narayana. Chaturmukha Brahma got darshanam swasambhavam nisamya evam, got darshanam of Paramatma from whom he has born. O Vidura, Chaturmukha Brahma, with all of his devotion, he got darshanam. He is doing darshanam of Sriman Narayana. He prayed Sriman Narayana to the extent that he could do with his manas and he could do with his speech. Then Chaturmukha Brahma felt that he may not be able to praise Paramatma's glory anymore, because he realized that Paramatma's glory and effulgence is unlimited, that he cannot perceive all of it. Then Paramatma understood that Chaturmukha Brahma's devotion, and Paramatma Madhusudana is now responding to Chaturmukha Brahma like this. O Brahmadeva, O Vedagarbha, don't think about how to do this Loka Nirmanam, how to do this entire Srushti, and don't worry about what to do. All that you have to do is you put your effort. Then with my Sankalpa Balam, you will gain all the knowledge about how to do this Srushti and what to do next. O Brahmadeva, Bhuyaha Tvam Tapaha Atishtha. Keep meditating upon me and keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my Aradhana. With that, Naloni Jiva Kotulu Valaya Muniku Kanavochunu. You will be able to see everything that you haven't seen so far. You will be able to see all the worlds clearly. Then you keep doing your duty. O Brahmadeva, after you see all the worlds, you have to engage your manas on me, and then drashtasi mam tatam brahman mayilokan tvam atmanaha. You have to realize that I am present all over internally and externally. When you realize me as an antaryami of every entity and yourself, sarva bhuteshu pratichakshita mam. Only when you realize me as an antaryami of every entity, then bhavadiya dosha mulbayunu. then all of your pain, suffering, grief and ajnanam will be removed. Like this, Srimannarayana blessing Chaturmukha Brahma. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 8th chapter, 19th sloka. Bhutagramaha Sayevayam Bhutva Bhutva Praliyate Ratriyagame Avasah Pardha Prabhavati Aharagame. Bhutagramasayevayam Bhutva Bhutva Praliyate Ratriyagame Vasah Pardha Prabhavati Aharagame. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.